welcome to BilzTech. Today's video, we will learn how to enable dynamic lock in Windows 11. Let's start it. First thing first, you have to press Windows plus I button to open the setting menu. Once you will open the setting menu, go to the left side, you will find accounts. Go to accounts, then scroll down, you will find sign in option and sign in option. Scroll down, you will see the dynamic lock. Just drop down. Now click the checkbox to enable the dynamic lock. That's it. This is how you have to enable the dynamic lock. If you find my video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.